We stood before you, side by side, hearts full of fire, love open wide. But now there's silence in this space, and tears that fall without embrace. What once was laughter turned to strain, but still I whisper through the pain. God, you joined our hearts as one. Don't let this story come undone. Bind us together again, oh Lord, stronger than we were before. Heal the wounds, renew the vow. We need your mercy here and now. Teach us again to speak with grace, to see each other face to face. Remove the pride, the fear, the blame. Restore the trust, revive the flame. Let love be patient, love be kind, a love that always seeks to bind. Help us believe and hope again, to fight for us and not pretend. Bind us together again, oh Lord, not just in word but in accord. Let forgiveness be the thread that stitches what was torn and bled. What God has joined, let no one tear. You're still the glue, you're still the prayer. Though hearts may break, you still can mend. This love can rise, begin again. Bind us together again, oh Lord. Bring back the joy we once adored. Your covenant still stands today. Please guide us as we find the way.